got your motherboard, you've got your solenoids that open and close. 3/4 on the Z671 circuit and the 672 circuit. You want to inspect this, make sure there's no burned out marks. It is ideal to have a surge protector. There isn't one on the unit. I've replaced a lot of boards and they burn out right here. Between here, we shouldn't exceed like 253 volts. So reads around 240, 239.5, 239.5, 238. And then between these two terminals, we run it in a DC band. Between 2 and 3, we're looking for a fluctuation voltage. So if you see here, the voltage fluctuates back and forth. That means that this unit is communicating. If we had a steady voltage, we have a problem with the wire or the board is not communicating with the outdoor unit. This would be our incoming power. We knew around 238 volts, around 240. We're good. Check the small amp draw. So we got. That's what makes mini splits really cool. I mean, this thing's only pulling 4 amps. We're gonna clean and just brush all this dirt off. We also want to check our flare nuts. They're dry. That's a good sign. If there's any signs of oiling, an indication that we have a leak. You can see here, we do not have a leak. So we're not running at a high capacity. It's just kind of maintaining temperature. Another thing you want to do too is to make sure that these lug nuts are really tight. Any signs of loose nuts can cause arcing and all kinds of concerns. This checks out pretty good. That's why we're out here on the PMA plans, is to take care of these. If you can see the difference, if you let these go, a lot of this dirt will go adhere on the wheel. You get bacteria growth, which requires more extensive cleaning.